Intimate relationship dynamics, I'm going to refer to them as IRDs from now on. That's when partners automatically react to each other in set, patterned ways. They slip into character, play their part. The dialogue and plot are always the same or nearly the same. The topic doesn't matter. Whether the content is serious or trivial, partners say their lines and play their parts no matter what. They may regard each other as cold, unreasonable, controlling, abusive even. Neither grasps what the other is reacting to. And that's because only a tiny sliver of the prefrontal cortex objectively analyzes our own behavior, and that part is completely offline when emotionally aroused. Trapped in an IRD, it's impossible to evaluate your own behavior with any objectivity. Early in relationships, bad feelings motivate reconnection. We kiss and make up. But as IRDs develop and persist, sadness, regret, self-doubt harden into chronic resentment. Partners blame their bad feelings on the flaws in each other's character, presumed flaws. They grow more extreme in reaction to each other. IRDs often activate with no one doing anything wrong. They're triggered by nonverbal cues, body language, tone of voice, distraction, disparate energy levels, expectations, and projections. The major unconscious dynamics that ensnare couples in misery: demand withdrawal, pursuer distancer, and fear shame. Though interrelated, we'll consider them one at a time.